For years, Ram fans kept asking the same question. Why not combine the legendary Cummins diesel with the Power Wagon? It sounded like the perfect heavy-duty truck, offering massive pulling power along with one of the most capable factory off-road pickups on the market. The answer was not a lack of demand. It was an engineering challenge that Ram could not solve without making a major change. The biggest obstacle was the factory-mounted winch. The Power Wagon's integrated winch occupied the same space needed for the larger cooling system required by the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. Engineers determined there simply was not enough room for both components while maintaining proper airflow during demanding towing and off-road conditions. For the 2027 model year, Ram finally made a decision that enthusiasts have been waiting years to see. The company removed the factory winch, creating enough space for the Cummins diesel and its cooling hardware. That single change made the long-awaited diesel Power Wagon possible. The result is a truck powered by a 6.7-liter high-output Cummins engine, producing 430 horsepower and an incredible 1,075 pound-feet of torque. It is also paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving owners far greater towing capability while preserving the Power Wagon's locking differentials, disconnecting sway bar, and serious off-road performance. It may have taken years, but Ram finally delivered the diesel Power Wagon many believed would never exist.